I'm Dr. Emmanuel Luyirika, the Executive Director of the African Palliative Care Association. I'm here at the GICC, Gaborone, Botswana, as we prepare for the 8th International African Palliative Care and Allied Health Services Conference, which takes place from the 23rd to the 26th of September 2025. We invite you to come and attend this conference. We are going to have several events. We will start with workshops, and then we have the African Ministers of Health Palliative Care session, which happens on the 23rd. We look forward to having multidisciplinary teams of health workers, starting from doctors, nurses, pharmacists, social workers, occupational therapists, and other rehabilitation teams, as we look at the science and the best practices that have been developed on the continent over the last 3 years. We invite you to register so that you can come and attend this conference. We hope this will be a great learning time for all of us on the continent and those guests from beyond. As we host this conference together with the Ministry of Health in Botswana, we hope we'll look at the best practices on the continent and integrate those into our health systems so that by 2030 we have palliative care as part of the universal health coverage across our continent. How can you participate in this conference? First of all, you should register to attend the conference. The conference website is up and running. You can also be an exhibitor at this conference if you are a business or a non-government organization that is interested in showcasing what you do and what you contribute to health and allied services. You can also be a sponsor of part of this conference. So please go onto the website and either register, submit your abstract, or apply to be a sponsor or an exhibitor. As we build on the sustainability actions already taken on the continent, we look forward to hosting students and their teachers from the various health facilities and health training institutions across the continent and the world. We hope this will build on the work already done as more and young professionals join palliative care as a discipline. We are also looking at researchers who should come and share their findings at this conference so that we can impact the health services on our continent. We also we are looking at universities and other research organizations to be part of this conference as a way of learning together and building for the future of Africa. Thank you.